my YouTube channel, that is Maths with Shivangi Nagar. In this video session, we will discuss about the exercise 9.1 question number 3. Mark this question important, okay? So this question has been asked in the examination. So what the question says, let's discuss it. The question is, a contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park, right? 2 types of slides are to be installed in a park, and this plan is given to a contractor. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter and it is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for the elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. See, 2 types of slides are to be installed by this contractor. He has given an order, okay, and he has given order that from this age group to this age group, that means up to the 5-year age group, okay, they have to install the slide of what type, whose top of the height is what, at the 1.5 meter, right? And it should be inclined, that slide should be inclined with the ground level. How much? It should be inclined at the 30 degrees. So if you see here, if we take this AC as the slide for the below 5 years children, right? So its height, this is the top of the slide. So this top of the slide should be at of what height? Should be at what height from the ground level as what? 1.5 meter. It is given in the question, right? And AC is what? AC is the slide of the below 5 years children. And if you see here, this should make an angle of 30 degree with the ground level. BC is the ground level. So this is my slide number 1 diagram. Another slide that they want to install is for the elder children's, and for the elder children's, let's say if this is the this is the diagram, and here is the PR is the slide for the elder children's. So their top should be at what height from the ground level? So it should be at 3 meter. So this PQ represents what? The height from the ground level to the top of this slide, and it should be of what? It should be of 3 meter, and this slide should make an angle of 60 degree with the ground level, right? So what we have to find out, we just have to find out the length of both the slides for the below 5 years and for the elder children. Now see how to proceed it. First we will work on this triangle ABC, and we will compute what? We will compute the this AC height of this below 5-year children slide, okay? So see how. Let the smaller slide be represented by AC in the triangle ABC, where the height of the small slide is what? 1.5 meter. This is the height, this one, and this is what? 1.5 meter. And according to this right angle triangle, this is what? AB. And we are given that it is inclined at the 30 degree angle to the ground. So we can say that angle ACB is what? 30 degree. This is what? This is angle ACB. Right, this is what? 30 degrees. So both the datas we have written here, right? Now to find the AC, we have to consider the right angle triangle ABC, which is right angle at the B. So if you see here, we have to find out, in this right angle triangle, we have to find out what? We have to find out the hypotenuse, and opposite side of this angle 30 is given to us. So opposite and hypotenuse is related to which trigonometric ratio? Sine ratio. So what we are doing, we are applying here the sine C ratio. And what is sine C? So we know that sine is what? Opposite side of angle upon hypotenuse. This we know, right? So here which angle we are considering? We are considering the angle C. So what is the opposite side? Opposite side is what? AB, and hypotenuse is AC, right? And what is the angle C? Angle C is here 30 degree. AB we are given 1.5. So on plucking all the values, what we are getting here? Sine 30 is what? 1 by 2. So we are what doing? We are cross multiplying the quantities. So after cross multiplying, AC get multiplied with 1, so we are getting AC here, and 2 is coming here and multiplying with what? 1.5, so it is what? 3 meter. So this is what? This is the AC. AC is what? The length of the smaller slide, the length of the slide of the children, those who are below the 5 years. Isn't that easy? In a similar way, we will find the length of the bigger slide for the age group of those who are more than 5 years. So the largest slide represented by the PR in the right angle triangle PQR, and the height of this largest slide is what? 3 meters. So according to the right angle triangle, PQ is what? 3 meter. We can see here in the diagram. And we are also given that this slide, the bigger slide, should be inclined at 60 degree to the ground level. So here PRQ, this angle, this PRQ angle is what? 60 degree. It is mentioned in the question. Now to find this, we need to find the length of the slide, we need to find the ultimately PR. So we are considering what? We are considering the triangle PQR. This is our triangle PQR, P, Q and R, which is right angled at the Q, and this R angle is given to us 60 degree, and this is what? 3, right? And we have to find out what? We have to find out the PR, because actually this is the what length of the slide. So we are applying here again? We are applying here the sine ratio. So sine at what angle? At the angle R. So what is sine R? Side opposite to the angle R upon the hypotenuse. Now what is the value of angle R? It is what? 60 degree. What is the side opposite to angle R? So side opposite to angle R is what? PQ, and PQ is how much? It is 3. And hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is PR. So I have written here. Now what is sine 60? So sine 60, we know that sine 60 is root 3 by 2, okay, which is equals to 3 upon PR. Now what do? Just cross multiply all the quantities. So what we are getting here? PR into root 3 is equals to 6 here. So PR is equals to what? 6 upon root 3, right? Now there is irrational quantity in the denominator, so what just do? We just rationalize it by multiplying and divide by its rationalizing factor, which is what? Root over 3. So 3 into 3 is root 3 into root 3 is what? 3. So 6 root 3 upon 3. Now this 3 cancels 6 how many times? 2 times. So what we are getting here? 2 root 3 is the what answer? 2 root 3 meter. So what is this 2 root 3? So 2 root 3 is what? Length of larger slide. Length of larger slide is how much? 2 root 3 meter. And what is the length of the smaller slide? So length of the smaller slide is 3 meter. Clear? So this is what all about in my this question solution. If you got the solution, then please give me a thumbs up. Do share with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my video. Till then, bye bye, take care. See you in my next video with the next question solution.